that explorer made it through this.
You never know. I guess there's 2 lakes back here.
Yeah, well, that other one's up off of Boise.
It's right there.
Huh?
Right there.
Yeah. Well, the water level went down tremendously. Hey, I think here's part of your fence. This is effing crazy. Dang it, I want that wood block.
Huh?
I want that 6x6.
For what?
Huh? They made great for working on semis. Dude, holy crap, it just washed all this away, didn't it?
Yeah.
This might be the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Look at all the mobile home axles and shit.
Dude, where'd they come from? Dude, holy crap, this was all solid.
Dude, that's exactly what those are.
Yeah.
Get them all.
Dude, they might even have been just buried back here in a giant pile, and then all this flooding just washed all this freaking dirt away. Because you look at that, it all looks like it goes underground. Dude, that is awesome.
Look at that giant fucking flange.
Dude, that is crazy. Say that is 10 feet, 8 feet?
8 probably.
Wasn't I just calling you an idiot before for walking around all this?
And here we are.
Damn it.
How you walk around this entire thing? You walked through this? Yep. Did you? Is that what that board was there for, to get you out? Yep. Someone had to save me.
That's what I was thinking.
I'd probably fall on my ass trying to fucking ride that thing down like that.
Jesus. It's just down in these pits.
Huh?
Oh, I'm just talking into this too. Hey, there's some more dock material and wheels and... There's another one of them little paddle boats buried in there, I think.
There's a whole fucking 6x.
Dude. Well, 3/4 of one.
Yeah.
God, it's still all flooded up over this side even. What? Ha! Oh, Wes, they took your dollhouse. I can't believe it just took all that freaking dirt away. It's not like this is soft at all either. Well, I suppose it would be. Maybe. Tire in a tree.
Look, somebody's got the siphon pump running.
It's not running no more. Oh, yeah.
There's a semi-wheel tire.
Oh, I want it. I get good money for that.
Could you imagine being the hazmat crew out here walking all this shit?
Said they've had the fire department here 6 times. That's what Bob or Peggy was telling me. Oh, look, that's your picnic table.
There's your bench to your dollhouse.
Hey, I'd rather have the bench. You can have the dollhouse.
That bench went with your dollhouse.
Hey,
Look at the size of the telephone pole.
we weren't going to tell anybody. Oh, damn. There's a giant telephone pole.